Testing, testing. All right, we'll be getting started soon. Testing, testing. Probably helps if I turn on. Helps if I turn on my headphones. There we go. All right, so that's good. Let's put on some music, and I'm gonna start coding. I don't have a lot of time today, but I figured I'd do a little streaming. I actually got up. Where's my Spotify? I got up early this morning and added in most of the collision logic stuff. So let's see here. So I added in basic collision. The next step of what I want to do is I want to get the physics engine working. And I got about like 2 hours before I have to head out. So I'm thinking I should be able to get a basic. I should be able to get a basic physics engine up and running again. And let's see. I'm going to make a backup of everything real quick. Compress. All right, so there's that. What I want to do is, let's go into the other workspace and pull out the old physics engine, and we're gonna go through this line by line and get this one working. Where's Sandbox? Where's physics? All right, here we go. So what, let's see, what I want to do is paste the physics engine here. We'll bring it into our project and we'll just load this up. So load script physics. So one of the things that I've been feeling a lot more confident about is, like, I feel like the design pattern for making a game in Pixel Vision 8, I'm starting to like finally get a better understanding of what that is. And I'm feeling pretty confident about it. Like right now I don't have collision stuff against the player, but I'll add that later. What I want to do is get the basics of physics going. And what we're going to do is I'm going to rewrite the physics engine a little bit. I've been coming up with this a cleaner system where the entities have their own sort of callbacks, and I really like this system a lot better. So like, for example, I have this like on collision. What I'm going to do is I think I'm going to call an on physics, or I'm going to do, like, I have a test for collision, move, entity. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to add something that's just going to be for physics, and it will, what it'll do is it'll give back a position for where the player should be, or something. I don't know yet. Let's open up the existing physics engine and just take a look at it. There's a lot of things that I want to fix in it. I sort of just hacked this together from another thing, and what I wanted to do was, right now the way that the physics work is that it basically takes into account that the player, like, it goes through and updates all of, well, update entity for a particular entity physics. All right. Do I have like an update all physics or something in here? Or did I remove that out? Okay. So this is working sort of where we want it to be. The goal for the physics is, one, we're going to want to use we want to use ints. and start using the built-in stuff. There's a dx and a dy. So let's do this. We're going to start rewriting this piece by piece. I'm going to remove all of this logic, and we'll do this. We'll do this as needed, and we'll just pull out what we need. So okay, so we have a tile map size, a test position. So the test position should be a new vector, flag, killed flag. This kind of stuff I'm actually going to get rid of. We don't really need this. And we're going to make a gravity. So let's pull this out here. We don't need this right now. We're going to need a test position, and we don't need the map size. So right now I'm just going to boil it down to the variables that I know I need off the top of my head. And what we want are these two things. So what we're going to do is we are going to call configure a physics entity. We're going to pass it in a target, and we're going to pass in jump velocity. So what we'll do is this should just be called entity, so it's consistent with other things, and we know to pass in an entity. And we're going to call entity dot so there's a dx and a dy value. Wonder what, I always wonder in physics D, what does D stand for? All right, well, that was fun. I have to stop the recording because I have to go take care of some stuff. So, all right, I'll be back, I guess, maybe.